Do you ever feel like you're holding yourself back because of self-doubt? I have been there too. Confidence isn't about something that you're born with. It's about something that you build. From struggling with pimple, braces, and body image issues, I realized confidence isn't about perfection. It's about mindset. I used to avoid mirror, feel nervous when I used to speak, and overthink literally everything. But one day I thought, enough is enough. Today, I'll share exact lessons that helped me build unshakable confidence. These are the real things that changed my life, and if you apply them, it will change your life too. Lesson number one, stop seeking validation. I used to care so much about what people thought until I realized no one thinks about you as much as you think they do. People are too busy worrying about themselves. We waste so much of time analyzing what if they don't like me, what if I sound stupid, but ask yourself, does their opinion really change who you are? I remember I used to be scared to smile with my braces. I thought everyone would judge me. But when I finally did, nobody cared. That's when I realized most of the fear are there in your head. Next time you catch yourself worrying about what other people will think, ask yourself, will it matter in the next 5 years? If not, please do not waste 5 minutes of your today thinking about what people will think. Lesson number two, rewire negative self-talk. Would you talk to your best friend the way you talk to yourself? Probably not. Confidence starts in your mind. The way you speak to yourself shapes your reality. If you constantly say, I'm not good enough, you will start believing it. If you say, I'm improving every day, you will actually feel that way. I used to look in the mirror and focus on my flaws, my acne, my weight, my braces. But I made a rule. For every negative thought, I used to say two positive ones. Instead of my skin is bad, I used to say I'm working on my skin and I am more than my appearance. Try this week. Every morning, stand in front of a mirror and say something positive about yourself. At first, it might feel weird, but trust me, it will work out. Lesson number three, take action despite fear. Confidence isn't something you have it. It's something that you build by taking actions. Fear is normal, but the only way to grow is to do it anyway. Think about it. The first time you tried something new, whether it was driving, speaking publicly, or working out, it felt scary, right? But the more you did it, it became easier. I am speaking from my personal experience. Today, I do 108 Surya Namaskar each and every day. The reason why I'm doing it is because of my health. But the first day I started was, I was not even able to do one Surya Namaskar. I remember I was not even able to hold my own body weight. I used to fall on the ground. I used to feel so bad and I had so much of self-doubt. How am I not able to weigh my own body weight and even do a 5 second of plank? But today I do Surya Namaskar like this. It's as good as having a meal. It's that easy for me. Okay. I can do it literally twice a day without even worrying. So this is how you build confidence. The first day, it's going to be scary because it has to be scary. You're doing it for the very first time, but later on, it's going to become a habit and you would love doing it. Okay, write down something you are scared to do. Take now one step today. If you are afraid to talk to people, start with a smile. If you're afraid to post content, just hit the upload button. Small steps lead to big confidence. Lesson number 4, body language matters. Confidence isn't just about how you feel. It's about how you present yourself. Your body language can literally trick your brain into feeling more confident. Study shows that standing tall, making eye contact, and just smiling instantly make you look more confident. I notice that whenever I slouch or look down, I feel insecure. The moment I am straight, my posture, everything changed. I start and walk with a purpose and people treat me differently. Try this right now. Lift your chin up, pull your shoulders back, and take a deep breath in. Notice how more powerful you feel. That's the energy you want to carry yourself each and every day. Lesson number 5, keep promises to yourself. Confidence isn't about what others say. It's about what you believe about yourself. And the best way to build self-trust is to keep your promises to yourself. Every time you say, I'll start tomorrow, and don't, you lose a little self-trust. But every time you follow through and even something small, you prove yourself that you're capable enough. Doing 108 Surya Namaskar every day wasn't just about fitness. It was about discipline. sticking to something that made me realize that I'm strong, and I stay committed, and I'm capable of doing anything and everything I promise myself. Today, start with a small habit. It can be as simple as drinking water, exercising just 5 minutes, or waking up early. It can be anything. But the only condition is to just stick to it and do not leave it in between. And trust me, the amount of confidence you're going to get within yourself that I keep my own promises. I am worthy enough. And if you are capable of keeping the promises that you do to yourself, the world is yours. The world is yours because you are building your self trust, and you can commit to anything that you want because you know that if you are committed, you are going to do it. Watch how your confidence skyrockets. Lastly, I would like to say that confidence isn't about being fearless. It's about moving forward despite having the fear. It's about believing in yourself even when no one else does. If you take only one thing from this video, let it be confidence is built through action. Stop waiting to feel ready and start today. If this video helped you, like, comment, and share. And tell me what's one confidence challenge you're facing. Let's support each other in the comments. And until then, bye.